Ever wondered how to rack up big BTON in MoonlightCube Slimes? Let's dive into the rare enemies, the elusive high-stakes battles where you can win up to 10,000 BTON in a single fight. Rare enemies are special foes you might encounter while exploring. Their names might even seem familiar. Could it be a player's name you've seen before? But don't worry, they're not other players invading your game. They are a player versus environment enemies, meaning they're controlled by the game's program. Fun fact, these rare enemies were actually named after players during a competition. Oh, and one more thing, please don't go to the players' dungeons to poop there if you lose. Unless you really want to, I guess. Here's why rare enemies are so exciting. Compared to regular enemies, the rewards are guaranteed and sky high. A silver rare enemy drops at least 1,000 BTON. Gold drops 5,000 BTON. And rainbow rare enemies can reward you with up to 10,000 BTON. And here's the kicker. The rewards scale with your ranking multiplier. So, the higher your rank, the bigger the payout. Now let's compare that to regular enemies. Regular enemies give you a variable amount of BTON per battle depending on your rank, so it's not a guarantee. For example, a top-ranked player might earn up to 10,000 BTON per battle, but for an unranked or new player, that maximum will just be at 1,000 BTON. This means rare enemies are especially beneficial for players who are just starting out or ranked in the middle, because their guaranteed high minimum rewards often surpass what regular enemies offer. For top-ranked players, rare enemies still provide a solid and consistent reward boost on top of their regular earnings. But beware, you can't remove rare enemies. You have to fight them. If you lose or draw, they escape. And here's the twist. Every time a rare enemy gets away, its loot increases by 10%. So, if you fail, someone else might be getting an even bigger payday. So, rare enemies are your golden opportunity to earn big BTON rewards. Whether you're climbing the leaderboard or just starting out, they're challenging, but if you can beat them, the rewards are well worth it. Head over to mcslimes.xyz to start playing now for free and see if you can take down a rare enemy. Who knows, the next big reward might have your name on it.